Hi, welcome to UPAA Arizona's MAROONong Games. Playing our online bingo game is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Once you get your online bingo card by email, click on it and it will take you to this web page. So up here, you can choose to zoom in or out your card. So zoom it to 50%, 25%, or just the regular screen size, 100%. Now, if you're not sure that you can do it online, you have the option to print it out. So click on the print button like that, and it will ask you to print out based on the number of cards per page. So you can do one large card, or if you have multiple cards, you can do medium or small cards, 4 cards per page. But for us, I think it's ideal that you just do 1 card per page. So print and then select your printer's name and print it out. Okay? All right, going back here, you can see up here your bingo card ID number. So during the game, we will call out what numbers are valid for a particular game pattern, and we will also check the validity of the winner. And then reset here, you don't want to press this because if you mistakenly press this button during the game, it will just erase everything on your card. Now, how to mark your bingo cards? It's easy. Just tap on the number based on the game pattern that we are playing. And then, for example, this number 8, B8 is wrong. You can just tap on it again to erase the number. So that's it. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3.